How to advance your career in real estate in Washington. House prices in Washington state are reaching record levels, spurred by high demand. To take advantage of this lucrative market, it's time to get serious about self-improvement and effective systems. Here are a few spots to focus your efforts. Become the local expert. Learn as much as you can about the area where you're buying and selling. Tailor your marketing to the local culture, tastes, and customs. Get involved in the community because it's a valuable method for networking. Blogging and social media. After you've developed the knowledge and reputation as an expert in the local real estate market, blog, tweet, and Instagram about it. Join online groups and use tools and apps to make business connections and develop leads. Leverage systems and technology. Adept use of technology and systems allows top agents to skillfully manage multiple transactions, prospect, network, launch new marketing campaigns, and deliver excellent service. Leverage technology to manage your time, communicate quickly, handle documents, and maintain systems. Assistance. If you want to grow your business, you'll need help. Consider hiring an assistant to handle the activities that don't require a real estate license. A cheaper alternative would be a fully loaded smartphone that can perform most assistant duties. Referrals. People trust suggestions from friends, family, and former customers more than advertisements. Keep promises. Deliver more than you promise. Create happy clients and customers, and then ask for referrals. Professional development. There's always more to learn. New laws, tools, trends, and issues. Commit to strategic professional development. Use this new knowledge to develop future clients and sales. 360training.com, the leading provider of real estate education, offers online real estate courses, which easily fit into your busy schedule. Enroll today.